Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you will learn very easy trick to make 3D, real fur effect, letter logo. Don't forget to subscribe, because I am come up every day with amazing designs. Make sure to watch to the end of the video. Let's design. Create a new file of width of 1920 and height 1080, and press OK. Select Rectangle tool, choose a gradient color. Draw a rectangle to cover canvas. Select your desired two gradient colors. To object, and lock, selection. Select Type tool, and type C. Choose Selection tool, and make it bigger by holding Shift. Choose any font as you like. I will choose a 3D looking font. I think this is good one. Select Ellipse tool. Choose Gradient Fill Color. Draw a circle of 100 by 100. And select two gradient color to fill circle. Select Radical Type. Choose Selection tool. And hold Alt and drag down to make duplicate. Select both circles, go to Object, Blend, and Make. Now click two times on Blend tool, check on Preview, select Spacing to specify distance. Keep distance 1.5 pixels, and click OK. Choose Selection tool, select C letter, and create outline. Press Ctrl+Y to activate outline view. Choose Direct Selection tool, select inner lines and delete. Because I want only one outline. Now ungroup it, and release compound path. Choose Selection tool, select both objects, go to Object, Blend, and replace Spine. We are almost there. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Roughen, check Preview. Make some adjustments as you want. Check on Smooth, and press OK. At least we got a 3D Furcy character logo. This is it. If you like this video, then please click on like button, subscribe, it will helps me a lot. Share your valuable suggestions and questions in the comment box. Okay, take care of nears and dears.